Hello, you are going to start adventure in desert. You have ready your food list. If yes, then good. If your answer is no, then no worry, watch this video till end. We will help you in this video for foods that you can take with you in desert, that are lightweight, non-perishable, and that will provide you with enough energy to keep going. Here is number 5. Jerky. Jerky is a great food to bring on a desert adventure because it is lightweight, non-perishable, and high in protein. The high protein content of jerky helps to keep you feeling full and energized, which can be especially important when you're out in the desert for long periods of time, such as turkey, chicken, or even fish. Before next food, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like almonds, pistachios, and sunflower seeds are high in healthy fats and protein, which will help you to feel full and energized. Nuts and seeds are a great food to bring on a desert adventure because they are lightweight, high in protein, high in fiber, easy to pack, and long-lasting. So it's important to keep portion sizes in mind when eating them. Number 3. Dried fruits. Dried fruits like raisins, cranberries, and apricots are a great source of carbohydrates and are easy to pack. They are also lightweight and do not require refrigeration, which is important when you're out in the desert. Dried fruits are often a good source of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, potassium, and iron. Number 2. Energy bars. There are many types of energy bars on the market that are specifically designed for outdoor activities. They are lightweight and easy to pack and will provide you with a quick energy boost when you need it. Energy bars are designed to provide a quick boost of energy, which can be especially helpful during a desert adventure when you may be expending a lot of energy hiking, climbing, or otherwise exploring the desert. Eating energy bars can help to keep your energy levels up during your adventure. Number 1. Ramen noodles. Instant ramen noodles are lightweight, easy to pack, and don't require a stove or pot to prepare. They also can provide you with much-needed hydration and carbohydrates. Ramen noodles come in a packaged broth. They can provide much-needed hydration to the body and prevent dehydration, which is common in desert. It's also important to stay hydrated while you're in the desert. Be sure to bring plenty of water with you, and consider bringing water filtration tablets or a water filter if you'll be near a water source. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.